Dear students, welcome to Gurukulprep, the world of unlimited possibilities and bright futures. Today, I stand before you as your trusted companion, here to guide you on the path to success in your MBA entrance exam. The journey may seem daunting, but fear not, for with the right strategies and a positive mindset, you can conquer any challenge that comes your way. First and foremost, let's talk about preparation. Like any great endeavor, success in the MBA entrance exam requires a solid foundation. Start by familiarizing yourself with the exam structure and syllabus. Understand the different sections, such as quantitative aptitude, verbal ability, data interpretation, and logical reasoning. This will give you a clear picture of what lies ahead and allow you to plan your preparation accordingly. Next, create a study plan that suits your needs and schedule. Break down the syllabus into manageable chunks and allocate specific time for each section. Remember, consistency is key. Devote a few hours each day to study, and stay committed to your plan. As you progress, track your performance and identify areas where you need improvement. This will help you focus your efforts and maximize your potential. Now, let's talk about resources. Utilize a variety of study materials, such as textbooks, online resources, and mock tests. Seek out reputable coaching centers or online platforms that offer comprehensive study materials and expert guidance. These resources will provide you with valuable insights, practice questions, and strategies to tackle each section of the exam effectively. Practice, practice, practice. There is no substitute for practice when it comes to mastering the MBA entrance exam. Solve as many sample papers and mock tests as you can get your hands on. This will not only familiarize you with the exam pattern but also sharpen your problem-solving skills and time management abilities. Remember, it's not just about speed, but also accuracy. In addition to practice, develop a habit of critical thinking and analytical reasoning. MBA entrance exams often assess your ability to analyze data, solve complex problems, and make sound decisions. Cultivate these skills by engaging in activities that challenge your thinking process. Read newspapers, solve puzzles, and engage in group discussions to enhance your logical and analytical abilities. While preparation is essential, taking care of yourself is equally important. Maintain a healthy lifestyle with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep. These factors contribute to your overall well-being and help improve cognitive function, allowing you to perform at your best during the exam. Lastly, believe in yourself. You possess incredible potential, and you have come a long way already. Embrace a positive mindset, stay motivated, and visualize your success. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family who encourage you to reach for the stars. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth, and you are capable of achieving greatness. So, choose Gurukulprep for your bright future. Enroll now.